Okay, today we're going to talk about Easy Seal today, folks. Easy Seal is a fairly new product on the market. Back 5 or 6 years ago, they had it in the injectors. You had a little, like a caulking gun where you'd squeeze it in, and then they had it in a little syringe type deal, and then some of my manufacturers, trained particularly, told me not to use it, and Marine wasn't sure. But I believe this product here is going to be one of the best things that's hit the market lately, okay? I have a situation here today where I got a line set that's leaking. It's leaking about 100 feet underneath the ground. I don't know where the leak is. We only have two joints. We have one here, or should I say two here, and then we have two inside. So my easy fix for my homeowner is to use this Easy Seal. When should we use Easy Seal? When we know we have a small leak, when we know we have 5 pounds or less of refrigerant, when the leak doesn't leak out less than 7 days. If it leaks out less than 7 days, you probably have a major leak, so don't use it. What causes Calgon Easy Seal to work? Oxygen, the leak itself, and air. The oxygen and air and water mix forms the catalyst for this stuff to bond to the leak. If the leak is like 3 microns or smaller, it should be okay and you should be able to seal it up, but there's never any guarantees. And the problem with the line set going underground is there's moisture and there's corrosion. There's other factors that's causing that. That's what we got. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and put it on now. Take your regular set of gauges. We're going to put the high side on first. I'm going to go ahead and screw this on and get this started, but I'm not going to screw it on all the way, okay? Always purge your hoses, guys. Okay, now we're going to take the service hose. That's the yellow hose on your gauges, and that's what we're going to attach to the Easy Seal, okay? Now the one thing you want to keep in mind here, folks, is you want pressure coming from the high side into the low side. You don't want this to back up into your hoses. You want to make sure you have pressure on this high side as you're putting it in. So we're going to go ahead and screw it on. Okay, I've screwed this on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my gauges very slowly to make sure I have pressure going from the high side through my gauges into the low side. Okay, and the unit has to be running also, okay? So I'm going to turn it on now. I've got it all prepped up and ready to go. Okay, so we are running. So now I'm going to proceed on turning it on. Okay, now I want you to look at the tube here, guys. Okay, now we have the high side on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up a little bit more. And push it in. Now this feels cooler, so I know it's working, okay? And what you want to do, you want to turn it on and off for about a minute to get it to work. That's what you're looking for, on and off. Just leave it on. It takes a few minutes to do this. We're actually going to put 2 of these in. I have another one. The distance is about 50 feet. If I have about 50 feet or more, I usually like to put in an extra one because you never have how long to look at. See how this is turning light? See this right here? See how this is turned? Okay, now it's cleared up. See how this is turned clear, and you see the moisture on here, right? This is going to take that minute I was telling you about, and it's sucking it right in. Another thing I want to tell you folks is once we get this all in place and we get this in, the unit should run a minimum of 1 hour. Okay? Since this line sits so long, I told my customer to let it run for an hour and a half. So that should stop the leak. I hope we'll know in about a week or so. If you have any questions, just go to jonesairconditioning.com and look at it. We're going to blog on the Easy Seal today. And I just want to take this opportunity for you folks that are looking at this, you technicians and you owners. Hey, let's take some of these young folks coming along and let's get them in the trade and let's get them interested and let's build this business up to what it should be. We've got to have good, experienced people that are motivated and dedicated to this industry. I appreciate you watching. If you like this, please share, please commit, and please comment. Thank you, bud.